To make the tail, crochet the two identical halves first. Fasten off only one half. Keep the working yarn attached to the other half. You will use this yarn to join both pieces together. Insert the hook into any stitch on the half that is already fastened off. Crochet around the rim of this half first. Make your first single crochet into that stitch. You have now made the first single crochet of this round. Next, make a decrease. Then make 2 more sequences of 1 single crochet followed by a decrease on this half of the tail. After that, make 3 more sequences of 1 single crochet followed by a decrease over the second half. Once finished, crochet the last round of the tail. Great, now fasten it off. Pinch the 2 sides of the tail together. Insert your hook through the first pair and make a single crochet. Make 2 more single crochets through the next pairs of stitches. The tail is now complete. Cut the yarn, leaving a 6-inch tail for sewing. Next, crochet the fins